Welcome to Biology. Biology. Biology.
Hello guys, today I am going to be doing my healthy lunch. This is a Tefal frying pan, guys. My kids has killed it, but I still absolutely love my pan. So guys, what I am getting ready to do, I don't eat bacon, but I am going to put one piece inside my pan so I can have a little bit of seasoning to my cabbage, because I am going to be doing some fried cabbage, guys. So here is my cabbage. This cabbage, I will get 3 different cooks out of this cabbage, because I don't cook that much because I am on this keto diet, and also being on the keto diet, I don't want to intake more food than I should. So guys, here I'm going to cut up my cabbage. Okay guys, the way I am cutting this, I want it to be in larger pieces. It's just, I want to get as much as I want to instead of cutting it down into cubes. That's something I did not want. So now guys, I'm going to move it over. I'm going to wash it. And after that, I'm going to drop it in the frying pan with that bacon. And that is some Applewood thick cut bacon. It's my hubby's, but I just wanted it for a little bit of flavor. So guys, we're getting ready to go to step number 3. So guys, I'm sorry I moved the camera like that, but here is my bacon. It is sizzling. Yes. So guys, in a few minutes, I'm going to be dropping this cabbage in here. I'm flipping my bacon. And here it is, guys. Make sure if you do this to break up your pieces, because you don't want it to be in clumps, and you don't want to fully cook the cabbage, because you want to get all of your good nutritionist, healthy yumminess out of it. So I don't cook it that long, and you will see about how long I cook it, and you will see all of that. So here I'm mixing around, making sure some of the flavoring from that bacon can go all over everything, and to get it right and tasty. Here I have some minced onions. And guys, this big container, I do purchase it from Sam's Wholesale, and it's about $6. And you know, I love my grill mates. Yes. So I'm putting some of this as far as my seasoning. And no, I am not heavy-handed. I put just enough to give it a taste. Now stir all of that up, and I'm going to let it sit there for a few minutes. I'm going to go backward and forward and stir it. But I want to make sure that, you know, hey, we getting it the tenderness that we need. So guys, here I have finished, and I do have a piece of my teriyaki chicken, guys. So look at that, guys. My kitchen smells absolutely so good, so good. So of course my daughter's in the kitchen as I'm cooking, and she was like, "Mama, that smells so good. May I please have some?" So I did not even eat all of that cabbage because my child was in the kitchen with me. So I decided to share. So guys, this is my cabbage and my barbecue chicken. So guys, I'm getting ready to take you over to another fantastic keto dessert. This is the keto ice cream. This is what you're going to need is whipped cream, a bowl. I have some blackberries, some strawberries, and a mango, and a lemon. And at the end, you will see what I'm going to add in also. So first, what you want to do, this is the largest size of whipped cream, because I know with me doing it, everybody else in the house will eat it also. So I take that, all of that whipped cream, and put it into another bowl. Make sure it is fully unthawed. Next, guys, we're going to take a lemon, and I'm adding lemon juice into this only because I absolutely love the citrus in it. And also, this is no fat, but I want to make sure that I still have citrus in it. So I am squeezing. I was trying to catch my seed, and several of them popped out quicker than I could catch them. But nevertheless, you can see what I'm doing, because girlfriend don't want to eat any seeds. I might end up having a lemon tree inside my tummy. So you can see here, guys, I have 3 seeds in there. So girlfriend has to take those seeds out. So now, guys, the seeds are out, and we can go to the next step. So here are the blackberries, and I'm just going to get a whole bunch of them, get them all washed up, and I'm going to drop them in. Guys, after this was done, I'm going to tell you another way that I'm going to do this keto ice cream, and I may record that one also so I can show you what I did and what I'm going to do differently. But here are some fresh strawberries. I try to do, well, I do everything fresh. Everything. I don't do any canned nothing with the keto diet. I usually don't do anything canned, but I am using all fresh fruits and veggies because it is healthier, and I'm on this keto diet. I am out to losing 30 pounds. Okay, guys? 30. So here I have cut my strawberries, washed my strawberries so they're up and ready. But guys, let me tell you about this. I got ready to get this mango, to cut the mango. Guys, it is hard as a rock. So, can I use it? Absolutely not, guys. So I could not cut it because it was too hard. And a mango, the best tasting of it is to be soft. So I sat it on my counter. I had them in my refrigerator. I decided to put it on the side so it can get softened. So when I get ready to do my next one, I can use it. So now, guys, with the lemon juice in there, the 2 different types of fruit, you mix it in very well. Make sure that when you get ready to scoop it, you're going to have all of that goodness in every scoop. So guys, I decided to add a little bit of ground cinnamon to this, and it is just the ground cinnamon. It's not the sugar base, because I am cutting as much sugar out with this keto diet just as well as I'm cutting all the carbs out. So I'm mixing that in very well also. So the next thing you want to do, just put on the lid and put it in the freezer for about an hour or two so it can kind of like get together. So this is the next day, guys, because I went on a date. So guys, we're going to open this up. I want to show you what this keto ice cream looks like. And this container is so hard to open, but poof, it's open. So guys, this is what the keto ice cream looks like. It is so good, guys. And look at that juicy blackberry sitting on top, all up top. So here is my ice cream scoop, guys. I was like, okay, maybe I can scoop this because, of course, you know, when you get ice cream, it is super hard. So it still gives you the consistency of hard ice cream, just like your regular ice cream, but absolutely much, much healthier. So guys, okay, here what it looks like. Let's get this taste test coming through. Taste test. So guys, what it tastes like. What does it taste like? Oh gosh, super. Oh my goodness. This, guys, is a must try. But guys, now I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do different the next time. The next time, instead of me just putting the fruit inside the Cool Whip and lemon juice like that, what I am going to do is going to cook it a little bit, my fruit, and then add it into my ice cream. So guys, it was absolutely delish.